We have always known that certain leaders have been mentioned, but there's not been any work on the part of law enforcement agencies.
There are endless archives, as you know, on this matter. So if you want a response, please refer to your archives.
Umphathi walokho we-VBS Mutual Bank ogwetshwe ukuhlala ejele iminyaka eli-15 ngamacala obukhohlakali. Uchifiwe Matotsi uveze bonke ababangele bona ibhanka leyitshone encwadini ayifungeleko.
Of course, the issue of scholar transport is one that's incredibly important. Scholar transport, along with infrastructure, is something that is very close to my heart.
Ngqongqoshe wezefundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarhube uthi uzoyiqalisisa indaba yenthuthi zabantwana besikolo. Kane ithome namhlanje ikambiso yokuhlola ifuzo yabafundi abali-11 ababhubhele engozini yesithuthi sabo kunye neveni.
Thank you, President, for the opportunity in 1992.
I enjoyed the distinct privilege of having Brasten as my very first professional coach.
Kunjulwa ngomsebenzi omuhle bekawenza ekuthuthukiseni ibholo yaragwako uStanley Scream Achabalala olele izolo esibhedlela wabe angomunye wababanduli bokuthoma besichema sefana. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godu ku SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani. Ivele tshachalazi incwadi efungelweko eveza ngokuzeleko izenzo zobukirikitshani nokukhwabanisa ezenzeka ngaphambi kokuwa kwebhanka ye-VBS. Incwadi efungelwe ngusihlalo walokho we-VBS uChifiwe Matotsi ichingiswe ekhotho ephakemeko yePitori ngelesithathu njengengcenye yesivumelwano asenze nekhotho. uMatotsi ugwetshwe iminyaka eli-15 ejele ngemva kokuvuma amacala afaka hlangana ukukhwabanisa nobukhohlakali ekumalungana nokutshona kwe-VBS Mutual Bank.
Incwadi efungelweko echoko bona yadatshwa njani imali engange 1.9 million yamarandi ebhanka ye-VBS indaba ekhulunywako. Encwadini efungelweko leyo usihlalo walokho we-VBS uChifiwe Matotsi uthi kunabanye abathindekako ekutapeni imali ebhankeni lemi. Ngilaba abathindekako kubalwa hlangana nabasebenzi bebhanka nabanye bebadosa bomasipalata bona basise ngokungasingemthethweni ebhankeni lemi. Okhunye kuvela encwadini efungelweko le ukubana abusopolitiki banikelwa njani ingidigidi zamaranda nezindlu ngokungasemthethweni ibhanka lemi. Ibhanka ye-VBS yabanjwa umtshono ngo-2018. Lokho kwatsho bona inkulungwana zabantu zalahlekelwa zimali zabe bazibule ngebhanka ye-VBS. Kanti into enkulu yabalahlekeleko zinisize bezilethwa yibhanka lemphakathini. Uthi sekabhalelwa nakubulunga ngitsho isumi lamaranda. Ibhanka ye-VBS beyibasiza kakhulu. Ngokwencwadi efungelweko nguMatotsi kunezongo batsho yokuthi i-EFF yanikelwa imali engange-16. Kuthiwa batsho uMatotsi baba nomhlangano nabaholi be-EFF uJulius Malema, uFloyd Shivambu kunye noMarshall Dlamini. Kuthiwa bathoma ngokubanikela i-5 million yamaranda kwalandelwa ngokubanikela i-1 million yamaranda qobe nyanga. Pheleli lapho balungisa indawo yokudla ekuthiwa batsho iphethwe i-EFF. I-EFF iziphayile kodwa insolwezi ithi akunabufakazi balokhu.
No change to our statements and positions on VBS. There are endless archives, as you know, on this matter. So if you want a response, please refer to your archives.
Uthoni Mphephu Ramabhurano bekayinkosi yabavenda phambilini kuthiwa batsho wabhadelwa ingidigidi zamaranda wanikelwa nenkolo ezikanokutsho. Kanti nabaholi be-ANC esifundeni seLimpopo nabo kuthiwa bayathindeka ekutapeni ebhanka ye-VBS. Kubalwa hlangana uFlorence Radzirani olisekela likasihlalo we-ANC eLimpopo.
We're made to believe that the matter of VBS has reached finality as far as it relates to various leaders of the ANC. Of course, the ANC will digest this matter because in any event, there's nothing new from that matter. We have always known that certain leaders have been mentioned, but there's not been any work on the part of law enforcement agency in a form of charging them criminally.
Omunye wababelani bebhanka leyo ubawebokela abathindekako bona benze okulungileko.
I plead to all those who are named there, who know they are in this loss of money for our people, must just do the same. They mustn't waste the court's time. They must just admit and agree that they be sentenced, and thereafter then we look at how our money is going to come back.
uMatotsi uziphathimandla sesibili sebhanka ye-VBS esithwesa umlando. Ngokuthoma kwagwetshwa umphathi wemali webhanka leWallachia uPhilip Truter odosa isigwebo sakhe seminyaka eli-10 ukulalelwa kwecala ngaphambi kokuthoma kwecala lomphathi we-VBS uAndile Ramabunga, umphathi mafa Wallachia uPhophi Mukhodobwane kunye namanye amalunga uErnest Nesabe noPaul Magula kuhlelelwe ngomhla ka-22 kuvela Bahlinze.
Ithome namhlanje ikambiso yokuhlola ifuzo emndenini yabongazimba abale-11 ababhubhe ngelesithathu. Ivenina izakutshayisa isithuthi sabantwana ngemva kubhubhe nomtshayeli wabo. Kanti kulindeleke bona umtshayeli weveni abekwe amacala. I-SABC ikhulumisene nombelethi kunye nomntwana munye weminyaka eli-12 osinde engozini le.
Uyisela Bongazimbi uthi akafuni ukusola umtshayeli wesithuthi sabantwana. Ngombana ulinge ngakho konke kusemandleni ukusindisa Bongazimbi wabhalelwa. Ngombana iveni ngiyo emtshayise ngemva kwasala ibanga matluwo le.
And I don't want to say I blame the driver of that school transport. Because because from where I'm seated, I knew already that Scholar Transport break off, then he pegged it aside the road. Then the baggie came out of then whatever happened, we don't know.
Nakusenjalo ungqongqotjhe womnyango wezefundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwagube uvakatshele inkolo embili ezithindekako wathumelana amezwi yokuchiriya emindenini abangani namalunga womphakathi athindekileko begodu uthi bazokuqalana nayo indaba yenithuthu zabantwana besikolo begodu umnyango wezenithuthu eGauteng uthi usaphenya ukuthi isithuthi sabongazimbesi besikulungele ukuba sendleleni na.
It was important for me to come and show my support. Of course, the issue of scholar transport is one that's incredibly important. Scholar transport, along with infrastructure, is something that is very close to my heart because ultimately, when learners are going to school, they should not be in danger of being harmed on their way to school. Of course, it's unclear, the investigation is still ongoing about this matter, but scholar transport remains a big priority for us.
Iphenyo larakela phambili mayelana nendaba le.
Izenzelwa zomphakathi kuzokuba yinto ekufuze ilungiswe msinya khulu nakhibe ungqongqotjhe omutsha inkosi uMzamo Buthelezi wenza ngendlela afuna ngayo. Ubeke etafuleni isabelo somnyango wakhe semali ngesikhathi kunomhlangano omncane wokuhlela eParlamente. uButhelezi uthi ukuhlelwa kuhle kwezenzelwa zomphakathi kumgogodla wokuqinisekisa ukuthi amaSewula Afrika afumana izenzelwa ezifaneleko kuhulumende.
Lo mthanyelo omutsha
decisively dealing with corruption and corrupt officials and swiftly act against those abusing the state, improving discipline management to ensure that display processes are completed timeously.
Inhlangano zivumelene ngokuthi umnyango lo umgogodla ukubusa ngefanelo.
Government cannot work if the people running the government are not professional, ethical, and selected on merit. Chairperson, it is critical that the GNU prioritizes the creation of a public workforce that is independent, professional, effective, and competent.
Malunga wenhlangano eziphikisa kadzimelele ekutheni ukuziphatha kuhle nokusebenza ngefanelo kufanele kube yinto eragako.
On top of a bloated wage bill, the public service can simply not afford the high levels of fraud and corruption any longer.
There should be time frames on disciplinary hearings. If they have not been concluded in 6 months, put a law, start separation with that employee.
The public service, there are employees who have been suspended for the past 12, 8, and even 7 years, yet they still receive salaries.
Isekele litsha likaSpeaker lizifumenelelekwa ngamagama ezeswe ngebilibili kokuthoma nakuza kuphazamiseka umhlangano ngenxa yokungabi khona kwabotolika eParlamente.
You don't simply throw like a child.
What kind of a minister is this one? What kind of a minister is this one? This one. Respectful. No. With your finger. Point of order, Chairperson.
Ukuhlelwa kwesakheke kubingwe ngaso ukuhlelwa kwezenzelwa zomphakathi okuhlanganiswa ikomiti yezenzelwa zomphakathi kwathonywa kuhulumende odlulileko.
Amandla obomasipalata wokuphakela amanzi ahlongileko emphakathini kunye nemthangalasisekelo ehwahlapheleko kube yindaba nkulu ekulumeni ipikiswano yokuvotwa esabelweni semali somnyango wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila ngamanzi. Ungqongqotjhe womnyango wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila ngamanzi uPhemi Majodina wethule isabelo semali sanonyaka esibalwa emalini engange 134 billion yamaranda.
Wamaza nesitshijile esikhulu sokuhlogeka kwamanzi kanti kodwa kunokuthwenyeka kokuthi ukuchuguchuguluka kobujamo bezulu kunomthelela omumbi ekuphakelweni kwamanzi. Lokho ke kubangela ilizweli ukuthi nofanele linande liba nomraro wenkhukhula esele kwenzeka amalanga la. uMajodina uthi uzokuqinisekisa bona wenza ngcono emthangalasisekelo yamanzi.
The infrastructure in municipalities is decaying, and we want to work with municipalities that the maintenance of water infrastructure is very important. A particular amount must be ring-fenced in terms of maintenance for infrastructure.
Ihlangano ye-FF Plus ithi kufanele kube khona okwenziwa komsinyazana wokurarulula ukugeleza kwesorage emaplantini wokutsenga amanzi. Amaplanti wamanzi abalela ku-824 akhona elizweni lonke, ama-90 wawo awasebenzi ngefanelo.
We need better water infrastructure and water management, because whilst we are water scarce, we are losing water due to poor maintenance and poor water management. Sewage spills from failing wastewater treatment works are threatening this sustainable access.
Gandhi Action SA ithi umraro wamanzi ubangela ubukhohlakalo obukhona elizweni lekhethu.
Decades of mismanagement have brought us to this point. Inherent institutional weaknesses, lack of consequence management, insufficient monitoring of projects, rampant corruption and poor leadership have hindered this department's ability to execute its constitutional mandate.
Inhlangano zithi amanzi ngezinye zezenzelo eziqhakatheke khulu emphakathini.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokuthintana uSoli Malatsi umemezele ukuthi usahlolisisa ezinye indlela zokusiza ngemali ihlangano ehatshela umphakathi le iSABC. Lokhu kunjengobana kunokuthwenyeka malungana nokunzinza kweSABC ngemali kunye nokuthembela ukuthi isize ngemali.
uMalatsi uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka malungana nokudosa nzima kweSABC kezemali nakufanele enze content yezinga eliphezulu khona izohatshela umphakathi ngemigomo yayo. Wenza isiphakamiso sokuhlola izinto ezinjengemali edosa umuzi nomuzi, imali enziwa ngemkhangiso kunye nokubambisana nemikhakha yangiqatha ukuqinisekisa bona iSABC inzinza isikhathi eside kezemali.
There's an intersection in terms of the regulatory environment that we're going to try and resolve as many of the difficulties and disputes that we have in-house and explore every avenue in-house before we proceed to whether be the competition commission or the tribunal or the courts, because I strongly believe that a lot of this can be resolved through mediation and negotiation.
uMalatsi uthi ekugcineni isisombululo sona kufuze sibe khona.
Nasibuya entolo.
Ukhonile ukukhuluma ukuthi bekasebenzisana namalume namake nababulomncane. Sho ukuthi make namalume nababulomncane fune batosinika impendulo.
Nanyana sele abhubhile nje kodwa kuthiwa ubhobokile waveza bona bekasebenzisana nabo bani ekubulaleni abantwana. Siyanamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Kanti indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Umuntu omduna oneminyaka eli-18 obudala obotshwe ngemva kokuhlotshaniswa nokubulala abantwana ababili ePienaar engaphandle kwembombela eMpumalanga ubhubhile. Umsolwa lo ubhubhele esibhedlela agadwe amapholisa. Kanti ungene esibhedlela ngemva kokubethwa amalunga omphakathi ebekafuna uPeaceful Khoza weminyaka ebuthathu ubudala. Umufi ukhombe ithuna elingajinga ukuyaphi angcwabe khona uKhoza kwathi ngemva kwalapho wabasake elinye ithuna lapha kungcwatshwe khona uJunior Mabandla weminyaka esithandathu ubudala.
Umphakathi wePinar usahlele ngokhuni ukufa kodwa khathesi kubhubhe uSivile Thulare weminyaka eli-18 ubudala obekade asithe esikhulu somphakathi. Kusola bona uThulare ubhubhe ngemva kokubetha umphakathi kanti usola ngokubulala abantwana ababili weminyaka emithathu ubudala kunye neweminyaka esithandathu ubudala. Isidumbu sika Junior Mabandla esiciyiweko senjiwe kwelinye ithuna ngemva kwemveka fona kanti sika Peaceful Khoza sona senjiwe ethuneni elingatshingo kuyaphi.
Singaqinisekisa simaphoyisa ukuthi umsolwa lehlanganisana lecala lokubulala ebantwana ababili 3 years na 6 years uye wandlula emhlabeni itolo. Manje asikade imbangela yokushona kwakhe ngoba semele ema results postmortem.
Imndeni yabantwana ababili aba idanile ngokubhubha kavezi bona bekasebenzisana nabo bani.
Ukhonile ukukhuluma ukuthi bekasebenzisana namalume namake nababulomncane. Shokuthi make namalume nababulomncane fune batosinika impendulo lebekufune sinikwe ngilolo shonile kutona.
Lele kabhlungu acela mremba aphenza amshisa. Msakafi utovuka lanzela.
Nibakwathulare nabo bebafuna phole azosiphendulela ngokubhubha kwabantwana bami.
Mina ngekwami bengifisa ukuthi Sivile aphila asitshele ukuthi wendeni sathi ukuthi bekasebenzela bani nabe bekajubela amaphathi.
Umsolwa bekulindile kubona avele khotho ngomvulo.
Isicema sabakhambi ngenyawo behlangano engenzi inzuzo iLowvale Walkers bangenele ijima lokukhamba amalanga ali-12 ukuthwaya ukucakatheka kwenyanga kaMandela embombela namhlanje. Babalelwa ema-16 nekhomba abantu abazibali lokukhamba amakhilomitha ama500 elithome emkhawulweni weLibombo inyanga kavela bahlinzele. Ekhambeni labeli bece emkhawulweni weMozambique ngaphambi kokuthi babuye nganeno.
Ikhambo lokubumbanisa ama-Afrika nanya nabadlule endaweni ezinobujamo bezulu obuhlukeneko nje kodwana kube kokuthoma ukuthi bakhambe beqe umkhawulo weSouth Africa kanti ikhambo labo lithome embombela lichinga eMozambique lidlulela eSwatini ngaphambi kokuthi babuyele embombela.
Lewo kulena sifuna kuhlanganisa ama-Afrika. Ubonile kule minyaka lezindlula kuyo lakhaya ko-attack abantu bekahamba nakuwo lama countries bek-attackwa abantu balakhaya. So we decided ukuthi thina silofolo sime ngetinyawo sente iwalk ayihlangana.
Ikhambeli akusilo lebumbano nje kwaphela kodwana ngelokusiza abahlagako.
Sibuka makhala ngathi aswele. Sifikile eMozambique siwabonile emakhaya laba parcels lamanyende kakhulu. Sangagcina lapho sangena kagogo Kingdom of Eswatini sashiya ama food parcels close to 100 ma food parcels.
Kanti nakusenjalo ikhambeli lithinde nalabo abazibandakanyekile kokuthoma.
Ngijabule kakhulu kuba kule walk lena ngoba ngi-experience into letiningi ngikhonile kubona amave i-Lawful Walkers ngithethe yangifaka etinzaweni letiningi nanoma nje bekuyibhlungu tinyawo tibhamuka but it was good.
Into lengiyithathile kule walk lena ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi masima Africa sihlangane sibambane. Tindo tibalula because when they come from the neighboring countries siyakhona ukuthi sisitane sibe munye.
Entshijile ekhambeni eligodwana bazokuraga nalo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ama-Afrika yabumbana.
Ezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ingenile imlayezo yokududuza emndenini okwaChabalala ngemva kokubhubha emphathi kunye nomnqophisi wenchema zebholo yeragwako uStainley Skrima Chabalala obekaziwa khulu ngelika Brasten. uChabalala ubhubhe izolo ngemva kokudunyuzwa nakhabe kucekezwa ekhaya lakhe ngenyanga kaNdaka. uChabalala wabambanduli wokuthoma weBafana Bafana ngo-1992 ngemva kokujanyiswa kwehlangano yebholo.
Bafana was playing against Zimbabwe in Zimbabwe. Bashul Mahlangu got injured
training. And I was relaxed at home and got a call that please come to the airport, Bashin is injured and join the team. And I got to that place, that is Zimbabwe, and got to play in that first international official match and coached by Skrima Chabalala. And I got to know him better and got to even look forward to the Shannon piano.
I can only say and repeat and say thank you, Preston, for the opportunity in 1992. Thank you for selecting me to be one of the players that you trusted and to represent South Africa as in Bafana Bafana. I've shared great moments with you, and believe it or not, I enjoyed each and every moment that I've spent with you.
Nasisaphethe zebholo eragwako umdlalo omkhulu ngosonto ephaliswaneni le-UEFA Euro 2024 obanjelwe eJalimani. iSpain esizingutani amahlandla amathathu ephaliswaneni leli sibambana nesichema se-England esifuna ukuthoya umlando siyiphakamise kokuthoma ibhigiri le. iSpain zinithandwa zephaliswaneni leli ngombana zithumbe yonke imidlalo. Kodwana abeswa bakaGareth Southgate bazokufuna ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi abasibadlali abakhamba phambili ngegama kwaphela. Hlangana nabadlali be-England kunobukayo Saka, Phil Foden, abanye abaningi. Nanyana kunjalo iSpain angekhe sizibeke phasi inegwegwezana yayo uLamine Yamal, umdlali omncane othwaye umlando ngokubetha igondelo. Umdlali England uyokuthoma ngesimbi yethoba ebusuku. Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi ngiyiphi ekhamba nebhigiri ye-Euro 2024. Asiqale umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Kuzokuchisa phasi ngale Germany e-Euro yaka 2024 phakathi kweSpain neEngland.
Spain sizoyithatha le final ngoba sithi iqalile i-Euro, Spain idlala kahle kakhulu.
I-England izowina lo mdlalo ngo-2-1.
Spain iyodlula simahla, iphethe abadlali basesebatsha.
England iyedlula ngoba izimisela kakhulu ingakumbi kwi-final.
Ayimisele nje impela ngoba phela mawuthi uyaqalisisa ayikho engathi
njengoba sebeyidedele England ezafika kuma-final ayisekuchika nekhona yithuba la Hurricane ke sokuthi iphakamise nalende kokuqala nqango.
Yo iSpain is strong singawudla umhlanganiso.
Hispaniola Spain sihamba sonke ngithi shapa Spain shapa.
Amangisi ngiyawazi ayagijima. iSpain angiboni ukuthi sizolibona elidlalako.
Umbono onke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela asibona negodi ngokusabo. Kiukhobongile.